Things are changing all around us. It's time to take the financial stability for yourself or your family into your own hands by tapping into new creative and innovative ways for making money from home. 7-figure earners and entrepreneurs. Tom E. and Jono Armstrong have just put the final touches on a one-of-a-kind resource with over 28 different ways you can make money. And here's what you won't need: a budget, tech skills, experience, advertising, websites, an email subscribers list, social media, or social media followers. All you need to make money from home using this resource is an internet connection. Tom E. discovered and used all of them, then created a get paid for doing the things you're already doing in life resource directory and calling it the Emergency Income Kit. It's not hype. It's just stuff no one ever told you about that you can do online to make money. Until now, you won't need to change anything you're currently doing. You just need to know what's been hiding in plain sight. Each method inside of the Emergency Income Kit has detailed, easy step-by-step directions, so you can literally be up and running in less than 10 minutes. Bottom line, all 28 methods are designed to start putting cash in our pockets, and in the pockets of individuals looking to earn money online with just an internet connection, not weeks or days from now, but right away. For more information about Tom and Jono's new home income resource, visit downloadyourcash.com. It might just be the money-making resource you've been searching for. We'll see you on the website.